Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to pin comments on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, I can tell you if you create your videos on TikTok, so the audience is commented on your video, so you can just simply go to the inbox option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will see the different comments that the audience will commented to your video, and so you can just simply swipe left of the comment, and here you will see the option pin. So you can just simply now tap on pin, and this is the way the comment is pinned on TikTok. Make sure that you updated the latest version of TikTok app. If you can't update, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version of TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.